Apart from reinforcement writing, we can develop preparation writing skill in our students while teaching writing skill in the classroom. Let's discuss what we mean by preparation writing. Preparation writing is all about preparing students, brainstorming them about the task they are going to do, right? We can use as language teachers some activities which aim to develop linguistic skills of producing sentences or sentence structures. There can be activities of diverse nature. There can be activities related to students' personal experiences or societal experiences, or the cultural experiences, or it could be the imaginary experiences. So there are a range of activities which we can bring in the classroom, and we can make our students prepare for writing. So preparation writing is all about making students have to think and provoking them into writing. Once they start the mechanism, once they know how to think, they can well write. For example, you just can give small exercises in the form of the example put in front of you on this slide. They can be asked to complete sentences. For example, I like going to parties because. Now, the students can activate their previous knowledge to complete this sentence. And this is very important. To channelize their minds, to make them think about particular language items which they can use to complete such sentences, right? And then in this regard, it's important that we give a classwork to the students and we put them in groups. Putting them into groups is a kind of science, just to ensure that the students are of mixed proficiencies. And this is what I ensure when I teach writing in my classes. I ensure that not the same caliber people form one group, rather people of diverse proficiencies and competencies join one group. So they talk about the task, and this is what can help them think. And we can also give them task of reading something, and then after they have finished reading, they can think. Or their writing can be based upon their reading, and we can ask them to think. Actually, in this regard, it's important to mention, for example, the students, if you give them tasks to agree or disagree with a particular viewpoint, you can, instead of directly making them write the task, before writing the task, it can be useful to put them in groups and discuss about the task, and they can that helps learners prepare their arguments, and the whole class will decide which side they would like to favor. Preparation writing is a useful skill, and personally speaking, from my own personal perspective as a language teacher, I frequently use this skill in my classrooms. For instance, before making the students directly writing about the task, they are given some time to think, to brainstorm, to gather ideas, and to sit together to exchange views. And I'm present while I give this activity to the students. I'm around them and I facilitate them, and while they discuss, they take down the notes and they exchange the notes, and this is how each group shares its notes with the other group, and the other group shares its notes with the other group, and this is how this becomes kind of collaborative exercise. And I have found it very useful in terms of introducing students to the notion of preparation writing.